Experiencing issues sending text messages on AT&T? You're not alone. Several factors can cause SMS and MMS failures, including network congestion, device compatibility problems, or temporary service outages. Common reasons include network congestion from high traffic, device compatibility problems with outdated software, and temporary service outages. First, ensure you have a strong cellular signal. Weak signal strength is a primary cause of SMS and MMS delivery failure. Next, check your device's date and time settings. Incorrect settings can interfere with message delivery. Restarting your phone is a simple yet often effective solution as it clears temporary glitches. Finally, verify that you haven't exceeded your text message limit or that your account is in good standing with AT&T. These basic checks resolve a significant number of texting issues. If basic troubleshooting doesn't work, start by clearing the cache of your messaging app, as corrupted data can prevent messages from sending. On Android, go to Settings, Apps, Messages, Storage, then Clear Cache. For iPhone, offload the app in Settings, General, iPhone Storage, then reinstall it. Next, reset your network settings. On iOS, go to Settings, General, Transfer, or Reset iPhone, Reset, then Reset Network Settings. On Android, the path is usually Settings, General Management, Reset, Reset Network Settings. Note that you'll need to re-enter Wi-Fi passwords after doing this. Finally, consider enabling RCS, Rich Communication Services, in your messaging app settings if available. AT&T promotes RCS as a modern replacement for SMS MMS, offering features like read receipts and improved media handling. To enable RCS, go to your messaging app settings, often under Chat Features on Android, and activate it. RCS requires both the sender and receiver to have it enabled for the enhanced features to work. These steps, combined with ensuring your device software is up to date, should resolve most persistent AT&T texting issues. If problems continue, contact AT&T support directly.